Two cousins, same town, same starting line. In 2019, one of them did everything right. The degree, the laptop job, the LinkedIn headshot. The other one got laughed at for picking up a toolbox. It's 2026 now. Guess which one just got an email that started with as the part of difficult decision. Here's the part nobody warned you about, the safe choice and the risky choice quietly switching places. And almost no one noticed until the layoff started. The career advice your parents give you wasn't wrong, it just got expired. And the people still repeating it are about to cost a lot of smart, hardworking people their income because they are reading from a map of a world that no longer exists. Let's be specific, because vague fear is useless. In late 2025, McKinsey, the firm that builds its empire telling other companies who to cut about 200 of its own. Amazon erased roughly 14,000 corporate roles. Klarna went from 7,000 employees to around 3,000. And the CEO said the quiet part of out loud, AI now does the work of hundreds of them. Notice what all of these have in common. None of them were the person fixing the air conditioning. They were the desk jobs, the spreadsheets, the reports, the knowledge work. Microsoft ran data on this and the list of the most exposed job reads like the career we told everyone to chase. The interpreters, translators, writers, sales rep, and the most safest roofers, message therapists, dishwashers. Jobs we spent 20 years telling it's so avoid. Most people get this exactly backward, and here's why they assume high skill means hard to replace. It doesn't. It means expensive to keep. Here's the mechanism. In one sentence, a white collar job is more replaceable because it already lives inside a computer. If your whole day is text going and the text coming out, emails, code, summaries, slides, then you are functionally describing the exact thing a language model was built to do. The plumber's job involved a wet pipe, a tight crawl space, and a problem that different in every house. The AI can write a poem about that pipe it cannot reach. So watch the next generation. 3 out of 5 young people in recent surveys said that they are heading into the trade, and the most named one reason, AI proofing. Gen Z, the most online generation in history, is buying drill. That's not nostalgia, that's a bet. And the cousin from the start, the one with the toolbox, is good 3 weeks out, raising rate, turning work down. The one with the degree is rewriting his resume to sound AI fluent. Same town, same start, one number on a layoff list. So what do you do with this? Whichever cousin you are right now, don't panic, and you don't quit to become a vendor tomorrow. You ask one honest question: how much of my work is just text moving through a computer? Because that percentage is your exposure. The fix isn't to fear the tool, it's to become the person who aims it, the one who handles the messy, physical, human, judgment-heavy part that doesn't fix to a text box. The prestige economy is repricing in real time, and the new safe ground is wherever a human still has to show up in the world. None of this is a prediction, it already happened. Most people just haven't checked the new map yet. You just did. I'll see you in next one.